Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a fun acrylic pour on a huge canvas, 2 foot by 3 foot. So I'm going to start with my floetrol and I'm going to strain it in my little strainer here, make sure there's no chunks. I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in silver, Apple Barrel in Caribbean in white, and Artist Loft Acrylic in brilliant blue, and then DecoArt Americana Sweet Mint. And this is how I like to mix my paint. I wanted to show you guys the consistency that I like my paint to be when I'm paint pouring. So I like the paint to flow off of my popsicle stick for at least 5 seconds before it stops. And then I know that I'm good to go, and I make sure all my paints are the same consistency. That's really, really important. And when I mix my paints, I always do 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. So now I'm just going in with Caribbean, and I'm just flooding this canvas. So this was 16 ounces of Caribbean, and then my son's coming in to hand me something right there. And I'm going to go in and smooth this all out with my hand. It doesn't have to be perfect. I am just giving a base coat so the paint can flow nicely. This isn't necessary, but it's just something that I like to do. So I'm making 2 little flip cups now. I started with white, sweet mint, silver. Now I'm going in with the brilliant blue. And then I'm going to add a little bit more silver and then the Caribbean as my last color. And I'm going to put these to the side for some ribbon pours. Now I'm going to go in and make my flip cups. I made 5 flip cups for this piece. And I just did white, silver, sweet mint, brilliant blue, some more silver, and a little bit more white. I didn't want to use too much white because the apple barrel white can crack, I've noticed. So I just used 1 8-ounce cup of white for this entire piece. I didn't want to use too much white, like I said, and apple barrel was all I had on hand. And it turned out fine. You could still see white in the painting, so that was good. So yeah, I'm just going to keep making my flip cups. I always start with a little bit of white, and then I'm going in with the sweet mint and the silver. I shouldn't have put the sweet mint and the silver together because they kind of made a muted brown tone, but I went in with a big straw and did some little like lung power puffs with the straw, and that made that kind of go away. You'll see that in a little while here. So now I'm just flipping my cups onto my canvas like so. And I'm going to go in with my ribbon pour cups and kind of just do a straight pour going across here like so. Just going horizontally across the canvas and just adding a little bit to the corner right here. There was just a little bit of paint left over in the cup. Now I'm going to go and do the same thing on the other side. Just put that paint on there horizontally again. So if I were going to do this type of pour again, I would definitely add more paint in these areas. I probably would have added 1 more cup of paint. And now I'm going to lift up my flip cups. And I wanted to say too, I used 54 ounces of paint for this canvas, and it was 24 inches by 36 inches. And I had it about 1.5 8-ounce cups left over. So 54 ounces, I would say, is a good number to shoot for on a canvas this big, just in case, you have a spot that doesn't turn out, you have a little bit of extra paint. So now I'm going to pick this baby up and turn it and move it around and try to get some cool stuff to happen. Sorry, I'm like blocking the camera. I should have set my camera up on the other side of the table, but I'll know for next time. I really like pouring canvases this big, so next time Michael's has a sale, I'm going to stock up. So yeah, if you see that Michael's is having a canvas sale, let me know. Drop me a comment on here or Instagram, or yeah, just let me know, because I think when I got these canvases, they were having a super sale, and this was my last one. But I love pouring on big canvases like this. So yeah, I was just turning the paint, trying to get the canvas covered, picking up the canvas, literally holding it straight down so all the paint would drip down to the edge here. It turned out really nice. It reminds me of an ocean. I did another pour like this too, just different techniques, similar colors, and I'll link that video below if you want to check it out. So here I was just going in with my thick milkshake straw and blowing some little designs on there because like I said, the silver and the sweet mint got a little bit brown. And this is how it turned out. I'm going to take you guys in for some close-up shots, just some still photos. It's still drying, but it's drying nicely. And once it's all dry and varnished, I'll definitely show you guys in a future video. So what do you guys think about this piece? Let me know down in the comments. And have you ever poured on a piece this big? Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll see you on Friday for another video. Bye!